Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 18. A rock is dropped from a hot air balloon at a height of 100 meters. The rock's height from the ground in meters, h of t, is modeled by the formula here, where t is the time in seconds. What is the average rate of change of the height of the rock between 2 and 4 seconds? Alright, so remember the average rate of change is similar to the slope. So if we want to find the average rate of change, we have to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, we're given our x's. We're given 2 and 4 seconds, but we're not given our y values. So we have to find those. So we want to know at 2 seconds, what is our y, and what is y value at 4 seconds. All right, so how do we do that? So remember 2 and 4 seconds. Seconds is time in seconds here. So all we have to do is plug in 2 first. So I'm going to have h of t, or I can say h of 2 because I'm plugging in 2. So I'm going to use 2 seconds. So I'm going to do h of 2 equals negative 4.9 times 2 squared plus 100. All right, so if I plug this into my calculator, I'm going to see that h of 2 is equal to 80.4, and that would be my height. But anyways, that is my y value here. So I'm going to put 80.4, and then I'm going to do the same thing for 4 seconds. So I'm going to do h of 4 equals negative 4.9 times 4 squared plus 100. So I'm just using this equation here, but I'm plugging in 2 seconds and 4 seconds to find my y value. All right, so when 4 seconds is up, the height is 21.6. So this is 21.6. Alright, so that's what we do to find our ordered pairs. Now, this is our x and y from the first point, and x and y from the second point. So now we're going to use this formula here to find the average rate of change. So I'm going to change the color here so it's easier to separate it from this. Alright, so I'm going to do 21.6 minus 80.4 over 4 minus 2. Alright, so I just took these points and plugged it into this formula. So 21.6 minus 80.4 is negative 58.8 divided by 2, and that's going to simplify to 29.4. So, oh, sorry, I lost my negative here. Negative 29.4. Let me see if I can write that a little bit neater. All right, if you come over here and look, our answer is C. So what is the average rate of change of the height of the rock between 2 and 4 seconds? So between 2 and 4 seconds, the average rate of change is negative 29.4 meters per second. So number 18 is C.